In a heart-wrenching incident, 6 persons were killed in landslides in Uttara Kannada and Dakshina Kannada districts as heavy rains pounded parts of Karnataka, police said on Tuesday. 4 members of a family were killed after a portion of a hill collapsed on their house at Mutali of Bhatkal Taluk in Uttara Kannada district on Tuesday, police sources said. In another incident reported from Subramanya in Dakshina Kannada district, the mortal remains of 2 sisters were found holding their hands together as a portion of a hill collapsed on their house. Heavy rains were lashing Subramanya from the evening of Monday. Around 7 p.m., a huge sound was heard.